Hello everybody. Somebody asked me about the super antenna. Said they was waiting on the super antenna to go on sale on eBay. And the super antenna probably won't never be on sale on eBay, nor nowhere else. I can tell you that later why. But you see what that signal strength right there, that is without a booster. And y'all know where I live at. And my house ain't moved in the last 30 years. You see the signal it's putting on there? You need to be like 70 miles away from the TV towers to use a booster. I'm talking about it'll throw the whole antenna business upside down. Like hey, you think you can put the 778 on that? No, sir. I'm fitting to cut the light on. I'm gonna leave the camera running because I don't want to break this. I'm flipping the lights on. And I reckon I'll open the front door too. Alright, look here. See, I'm fitting to prove to you what I'm saying is true. Y'all know I tell the truth. Alright, look here. There's my stick. Follow this cord. You know, I don't know, I'll show you the breaks in the cord. Okay, I got that right there joined together. That's joined together right there. Here's the cord. I'm following the cord. Y'all know, I pretty much tell the truth. Look here. There's another barrel connector. Look here. Now you can go back and look at this right here. Say he's got to be tricking us somehow. Look at there. There's another one. And here's where I had a 778 hooked up. It don't get a very good signal. Okay, now I'm gonna walk outside. You see, I ain't took no break in the cut. But if I'm gonna go ahead and give you this hint right here while I'm walking out here. If your antenna is like, everybody knows an antenna is supposed to get better at night, the signal strength. Everybody knows that. If your antenna starts acting up at night, you probably overdriving. But I mean, there's a lot more that I can say about it, and I will be making a video about it. I wasn't planning on doing this, but here it is. See, that's the cord right there that's running in the window. Look. Look at that. Hey, that antenna, y'all, that's unbelievable. And what it does is it'll make the signal weaker on the other channels. I'm talking about this damn near too much, like, without a booster. Anyway, it's almost too much, I already got one antenna tied up. And I mean, man, I just don't know if I even want to be messed with that. Alright, look here, I'm walking back in. Hey, I'll show y'all something too. Show you something. Look at all the wires I got made up. And anyway, hey, right back to where I was. Look at that. How about that, son? So don't wait on this antenna right here, because you probably won't never see it. We'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.